Video has been created to show you how to properly use the washing machine. The first step would be to fill the washer with your dirty linen, and when it is filled to the top, you will shut the door. When you shut the door, a screen will pop up on the washer giving you the 4 different choices of cycles. As you can see, there is white, color, white gentle, and color gentle, and depending on what linen you are washing, you will change. So for example, if we are going to be doing black linen, tablecloths or napkins, we would use this button and go down to the color selection. And the next step will be to go to the Ecolab box over here, and then you will also change the buttons to go to the proper choice, which is also white linen, color, white gentle, or color gentle. So we'll press up and change it to color. And after that, making sure both screens say the correct wash cycle choice. Then you will go back to the main screen and press start. You will see this screen pop up with a weight on it, and then you'll press start again, and that is how you use the washer.